In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a storyboard on Google Slides. We'll build a clean, reusable storyboard layout right on your phone, so you can plan shots and sequences wherever you are. First, open the Google Slides app on your mobile device. Either open an existing presentation or start a new one with a blank slide. A blank slide keeps your layout uncluttered and makes it easier to control spacing as you build your frames. Now create your storyboard frames. Tap the plus button at the top to open Insert, choose Shape, and select the rectangle. Draw a single box on the left side of the slide. This first box will be your master frame, so take a second to size it how you like. Consistency matters in storyboarding, so once you're happy with the shape, tap it, select, copy, tap an empty spot on the slide, and select Paste to make identical frames. Arrange 2 to 3 rectangles in a neat horizontal row across the slide. Repeat this placement so you have another horizontal row if you want more frames on the same page. Leave a little margin between boxes and around the edges so everything feels balanced. Zoom in for precise alignment if needed. Every storyboard frame needs space for scene numbers, dialogue, or camera directions. To add that, tap the plus button again, choose Text, and place a small text box directly underneath each rectangle. Type simple placeholders like Scene 1, Shot 1, Close Up, or Action, Character Walks into Frame. These notes make your storyboard readable and keep collaborators on the same page about what each frame represents. If your text wraps awkwardly, slightly widen the text box or reduce the font size so the notes sit cleanly below each image area. When your first slide looks right, save time by duplicating it. Go to the slide film strip at the bottom, tap the thumbnail of your formatted storyboard slide, choose Copy, tap the blank space next to it, and select Paste. You'll instantly get a new page with matching frames and text boxes ready for the next sequence. Since freehand drawing in the mobile app can be tricky, here are 2 easy ways to add visuals. First, upload sketches. Draw your frames on paper, snap photos with your phone, then tap Insert Image from Photos to place them inside your grid. Crop and resize so each image sits neatly within a rectangle. Second, search the web. Tap Insert Image from Web to find reference photos or clip art that match your scene. Use images you have the right to use and keep them simple so the story remains clear. That's it. You've built a mobile-friendly storyboard template in Google Slides. Save, share, and keep iterating as your ideas evolve.